Hey Midway Mayhem fans, this is Nelson and we are back at Six Flags Over Georgia, and boy, it has been a while. We have a lot to check up on, a lot's changed since we were last here, so let's go. Oh man, it feels so good to be back and see this sign, but right behind it we see the July 4th Fest advertised, and that is going to have fireworks, all sorts of things, 50% off tickets, stuff like that. You can see more information on the Six Flags website. We are starting our day off with Twisted Cyclone, and there is absolutely no one in line. Here we go. Absolutely empty in here. Straight up to the station. So in the station, they have plexiglass blocking each row. We're not super close to everybody, but as you can tell, it's a very busy day at the park. We're the only ones in the station. If you guys remember, in the Six Flags Over Georgia videos, I usually judge how busy the park is by the queue line in Monster Mansion. And the verdict is, yeah, it's a very quiet day here at the park. It was supposed to rain all day, and well, this is what happens when the weather works in our favor. So all around the park, including right here, they're advertising Gotham City Riddler Mindbender, new for 2021. World's first triple looping coaster gets a new twist. So hopefully soon we'll be seeing the Riddler Mindbender open again. We can't wait. Okay, so we've had a couple rides now, and we're here for food. And we're pretty excited because they actually have a new menu item here at JB's, and it's a Beyond Meat burger. Not only that, they used to have beer battered fries. Now, they have waffle fries. So we're gonna try the waffle fries first and see how they are. They're really hot, seasoned, like warm, and that's delicious. This is a vegan burger. It does have real cheese on it, but it is vegetarian nonetheless, so let's give it a try. Wow, that's really good. Six Flags did a really good job, and this is also included on the dining pass, so if you have one of those, you can get this with your lunch or your dinner. Really good. And now for the moment we've all been waiting for, a construction update. And where's it gonna start? Bugs Bunny Boomtown. It feels so interesting coming back into Bugs Bunny Boomtown because I haven't been back here in years upon years, and I always forget about this section just because, you know, I'm always looking for coasters, but this section is so interesting. I remember coming to these for shows when I was younger. Just really neat. But we're working our way all the way to the bottom. Let's go see why. We've made it down to Bucket Blasters. We got the Acme Trucking Company. We're gonna skip these and go straight back to this little corner where it connects with DC Super Friends. And we have made it back here to the area for construction. Now, this used to be a little flat ride tucked in here, right near Dahlonega, and it's gone. Completely gone. Now, there's something over there that we'll be checking out in a few minutes, and we think the two are linked together because they are right next to each other, and they needed to free up some space for whatever's coming, hopefully soon. And you can see right here in the middle, this is where the centerpiece for the flat ride was. It's kind of neat. It's gone. If your favorite restaurant in Six Flags Over Georgia is Strutter's Chicken Wings and Brews, it is not open today, but it could just be a thing for today. Although the $10 and under store is. Vintage Photography and the Glad Hatter, however, still closed. Well, it's time for a construction update on Splashwater Falls. It's been a long time, and the grand reveal, it's gone. It's completely gone. Queue line, all the switchbacks, everything. The station, the entire ride is gone. They have done a very fine job very quickly. And again, the section that I showed is right here in Bugs Bunny Boomtown. So you can see that it connects all the way here with that. So go ahead and drop your theories on what's coming, but it's happening. It's finally happening. Here's where the station was. You can see the loading platform right here, completely empty. And this was the exit ramp right here. And it is totally gone now too. But you can see some little construction rope around trying to prevent anyone from going in. Making fantastic progress. Now I have heard some people voicing concerns over the Dahlonega mine train simply because of this section of the track right here. The supports are partially in the lagoon, so people are slightly concerned that something could happen to Dahlonega. Personally, I don't think so because it is very old and the park likes to preserve their old coasters, their classic rides. So I don't think we have anything to worry about. However, we will keep checking on Dahlonega mine train, see if it's all right. But again, look at how different this looks from last time. Crazy. Now here's a section we don't go up to very often. We are gonna do the Hanson Cars ride here. I can't tell you the last time I've been on this, but I'm looking forward to it. Should be really fun. Done with the Hanson Cars. It's time for Justice League Battle for Metropolis. Let's see how the queue looks here. So far we've had an incredible day with queue lines. Let's see how this one is. Going into the Hall of Justice now. Moment of truth.
Based on intel we've gathered from Joker's laughing gas, but the antitoxin is only temporary, so you'll have to
wait and get ready to exit immediately. See you next time we need help. Booyah!
Well, 217,000, not too bad. So Justice League is completely done. It took me about 2-3 minutes to get on the ride, although I did the single rider line. The regular queue probably took between 10 and 20 minutes, but it was completely in the final room before the loading station, which is still not too bad. But I only had to wait about 2-3 minutes. Single rider's line is the way to go. But all in all, a great experience on Battle for Metropolis. Although I was a little bit disappointed because the Joker was sitting still. The animatronic wasn't doing his thing. But regardless, all the other effects were working very well, and great ride. Great American Scream Machine is a station wait. Not bad at all. We are off to Pandemonium. See how that line looks. We've made our way to the Scream Punk District, and something definitely looks different since we were here last. And that would be this. Sky Buckets is gone. The cable that it connects to, the entire station really for that matter, everything's cleared out completely. And something's happening. We're not sure what, but it's gone. It's out of there. Time for Pandemonium. Last time I was here, the park was very busy, and I was hearing that guests were having to wait roughly about an hour and a half. And this is the wait today. Yeah, there is none. There is no wait. We've made it to the end of the line. We're here. Six Flags still has all of these hand washing stations all around the park, along with sanitizing stations all around the park. And from what I've witnessed, they've done a very good job of keeping the sanitizers full. And as you can tell, the water is running indeed. So very nice. And I'm really glad to see that they are keeping that updated. Next stop is Gotham City, and we're right here in front of Batman. And this is a sign I haven't seen before. It says Batman entrance for handicap or for the Flash Pass is inside of the Gotham gift shop, which of course is right here, the Gotham City gifts. But that's nice. It's a great way of showing where the entrance is, because it can be confusing. This is the only entrance here, so very nice that they advertise that. Please, please let me in. Please. Hopefully soon. It looks great. We're getting close, guys. We're getting close. With the Riddler Mindbender getting closer and closer to opening, we have gotten an updated sign here where it says the Riddler Mindbender photo, whereas it used to say Mindbender photos. And of course that stop would be right here, and the exit is right here. But they are making good progress. They're getting there. The ride looks like it's almost ready. They are making a couple last few adjustments. And then of course we still have to go through testing before the ride opens. But we can see bright track. Looks really nice. We're going to be finishing off our day here at Goliath, and I just wanted to point out something kind of interesting. Alien Abduction has its walls down, so you can sit in this area, walk into this area, and everything like that. Just something kind of interesting. I haven't been in here since Fright Fest of 2019, but now we're beyond the wall, so kind of neat. Feels good to be back in here. Moment of truth to see the queue line here. And the wait so far is in the station. Let's see. Oh yeah. Oh yeah, not bad at all. Let's go get a ride. Well guys, that is going to do it for us here at Six Flags Over Georgia. All in all, we've had a fantastic day. We've seen everything that they've been working on, and we can't wait to come back and see the progress of Splashwater Falls. And if you like what we do, make sure to follow us on Instagram, Facebook, YouTube, and Twitter at Midway Mayhem. And I will see you out on the Midway.